Hey traders, happy Monday. This is William, and I have a really simple question I want to ask you and really answer it out loud, and I'm going to do the same. When a stock is an all-time high, are you scared to go long on a breakout? Yes or no? Are you scared to go long on a breakout? And if a stock is an all-time high? Just think about it and answer it to yourself and answer it out loud so you hear yourself say it. Because I have been always scared to trade breakouts of all-time high. I only look for short positions, thinking that because the move is so extended, look at all this space down here it can go back into, and if I can find a top, I can get a nice pullback back, maybe 50% or something from this big move. But sure enough, it can't go higher. It can't go higher, right? It can't go higher. That's what a lot of us think. And I've thought that forever. It's so hard to retrain my brain. But I did that today on this AYRO. And one reason why I was able to do this was a gift from the trading gods. This thing moved dollars at a time. And check out the spread. The spread is 1 cent. And it was holding 1 cent with liquid levels underneath it. So you didn't get massive slippage very often. So that's amazing. So you can really minimize your risk. So now I have a catalyst from the gap up, a 1 cent spread on a stock that's already moved a couple bucks and is showing huge strength. So why are we scared to long a stock on a breakout on all-time high? Because we can't think it goes any higher. Because we don't think it has enough buyers to go higher, or we think that it's extended, or we think it's tired, or we're just scared because we think it looks like it has no room to go higher. Okay, so first, just so we're clear, these two trades are simulator trades. I was feeling this stock out to make sure I had an opportunity. So on this trade, I'm showing all the accounts. On this trade, I'm just showing my real account, just so it doesn't bog down the charts. So look at this. So actually, let's go to the daily. When we ask ourselves, it's an all-time high. You see the monthly? Okay, all-time high, new stock. Okay, so ask yourself this. Why do you think a stock can't go higher? Usually, why can't a stock go higher? Well, let's talk about, I don't know, let's just try MU. Okay, here's a daily chart on MU. Why can't this go higher? Because at all of these different levels that we put, there might be traders trapped. There might be reasons for the stock to be sold at these levels. What if you're long right here? What if you go long for this breakout and you're a bag holder? Okay, this is a great example actually. What if you are long right here for this opportunity? You know, forget about the coronavirus, so we're just looking at the chart. You bag hold all the way down. And look at this, and you're just a total bag holder, which is what people do. I promise you, people do this. And look at this, the opportunity to get out here, this is a gift. You are just breathing a sigh of relief. Same thing over here. What if you went long right here? Right here, right? It's in a little downtrend. It makes a new high, makes a high right there. It looks so strong. You get caught long up here. You know, your stop is, I don't know where your stop is, but you bag held and you don't get out. And look at this. You get a gift right here to get out near break even. You get saved. So a lot of people will sell at these levels because maybe they were trapped. Maybe they see it as resistance. Maybe people want to short into it. But you have so many reasons to sell when you have levels on the daily chart. Now, on a stock like AYRO, who is going to sell? Monthly traders are not. There's no resistance on the monthly, on the weekly, or the daily. Okay? Because it's in all-time highs and it's a new stock. So we don't have levels of someone being stuck on the daily chart and getting a sigh of relief that it went back up. We don't have people looking for resistance and pivots or looking for short opportunities or looking for traders trapped. None of that occurs in a stock that it's in an all-time high. So for some reason, most of us, we think, God, a stock can't go higher, and we want to try to short it. But you know how often these all-time highs keep going, because the big guys with the big money, they don't have a reason to sell. And honestly, there's not a reason to sell. So this setup was a high-a-day breakout above the $7 even number that was had nice resistance just for a couple seconds, or a couple minutes, like 120 seconds. Two tops right here at 7, but there was heavy orders coming through. And just look at the 1. Look at this. Look at how this trends up. Look at this just trending up, bouncing off the 9 on the 1. This is a power trend, right? So I saw that it was waving up. I tested it out in the simulator here and here just to get the feel of it. And then right here, I decided I got it going. And I went in a little heavy, which is why I scaled out horribly. Again, I was too excited for the 1 cent spread that I got in heavy size for how much it was moving. I should have gone less so I could have held through these little pullbacks knowing that I was expecting it to come back and hit the 9 on the 1. No problem, right? If it doesn't break that, it should continue to go up. But again, that the setup in this specific video and my horrible exits by getting out too quickly, that's something I got to work on. It's not the point. The point is all-time high stocks. So just, again, ask yourself that question and see if you are like many traders, including me, most of the years I've been trading, that has an incredibly difficult time trading a breakout at the top of a trend and an all-time high. But if you ask yourself who is buying, who is selling, the reasons people are buying and selling, the spread was so important in here. I guarantee you people were loving this spread, knowing that the risk was much smaller than usual for the potential move. So all of this combined, ask yourself these questions and comment below in the answers. I'm very curious to your answers on this. So thank you so much. Have a great day.